Hello friends, you are welcome to today's class. I will teach you how to remove someone from being an admin on a LinkedIn business page. Sign into your LinkedIn account, and click on your profile picture. Scroll down, and choose your company page. Click on the company page. Click on Admin Tools. Scroll down. Click on Manage Admins. Click on Remove Admin. Click Changes. The process is completed. Thanks for being with us in today's class. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on notification button for more advanced tutorials. Thanks for watching.